Hey everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices, one topic or one feature at a time. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a website and also the link where you can see all of this, of where you can see every single thing that is being updated by Samsung. And this is talking about their applications and services. Now, if you're ever curious on when or what will be popping up inside of your Samsung Galaxy store, this right here is the link. This is just apkmirror.com. This is where I normally get a lot of my APKs. This is where these ones are uploaded by Samsung, so they're not just random third party or random people. Anything that is right here is from Samsung themselves. And you can see every single thing right here, all listed out, and also their dates. You can also take a look at some of the information. So you have this little eye letting you know a little bit more details about it, such as how many downloads, the size of it, and also the version. So it's pretty fun to take a look at this website here first, and then take a look at your Galaxy Store. So we might actually see something inside the Galaxy Store for the Samsung voice recorder. We might even see something possibly with the Samsung camera, but again, you don't know exactly which devices. You also have maybe something for Samsung One UI Home or the keyboard, your Knox service plugin. Take a look at Samsung Notes, Bixby Vision. So there's a lot of stuff that's going on here. And so there's been a lot of updates within just the last few days. So how about we take a look inside of the Galaxy Store to see which of those is actually showing. Now, I didn't take a look at the Galaxy Store yet this morning. I know for sure that there was a couple of them sitting there yesterday, which gave me the idea for this video. When you take a look at your menu, right up over here, you have your updates, and there are 5. There is the voice recorder. There is Samsung Notes, Bixby Vision, Theme Park, and Sound Assistant. Now, normally what will happen is when you take a look at that APK website, you'll be able to see it sitting there first before it pops into here. So there's a couple of them that I saw that was new on APK Mirror that more than likely we will see show up here on this device within the next couple days, or it will be a part of an upcoming monthly software update. So that was today's video. I wanted to share with you how you're able to see what is upcoming or what is released. Also, sometimes if you don't see it sitting here, you can grab it from the APK Mirror website. Again, these are uploaded from Samsung by Samsung. These are the actual APKs. These are the application files that would show up in the Galaxy Store, but you can just grab them from here if you want to go just a little early. So if there is something that is not sitting here, but is sitting on APK Mirror, more than likely you will see it within that day or the coming days. Also, if you do want to grab any of these ones early, you can do that. But I would also suggest to tap on the name and just kind of read through, see what it could be for. Possibly it could be for a different phone than yours, and it gives you all of the information for that update sitting right there. You can do the same thing here if you would like to read what is new. Just tap on this down arrow, and it just talks about bug fixes, optimized searching performance, or UI improvements and bug fixes, enhanced app stability. You also have version, basically this is working with Samsung One UI 8, and that's all that one's kind of stating there. Samsung Notes, support landscape layout, support sticky note, and also bug fix. So that does it for today's video. If you don't see anything sitting there and you do see something sitting here, then you'd be able to go through and you'd be able to get this thing updated just by tapping on the name and then scrolling down and finding the actual download, which is right there. It is a blue box. Now, all of these are from Samsung. This is a filter for only Samsung Electronics Company, and that is it. Nothing else is inside of here, only from Samsung themselves. But hopefully you guys have appreciated this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit and subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll.